let's type this, and then you have them there. So with Sickle, you can run in the paired end mode, which is PE, or in the SC mode, which is single end mode. So because we are dealing with paired end reads, we will use the PE mode. So let's look at how Sickle is used in the PE mode. So let's type Sickle PE. So you have the information here. So you can just read about the information here that tells you how to use Sickle and then the options available for it. So I will just proceed with the trimming. So just try and then just read about it. So let's clear the screen and then just continue. So we will trim the read. So that's how we are going to do it. Let's type Sickle first. And then let's type P. And then we will just indicate the forward reads with -F. So the name is P7741R1. That is read 1. Now with the reverse we use -R. So let's also indicate the name. So that will be P7741R2. And then we also indicate the quality type, which is -T. We will use Sanga. There are other formats like Solexa and then others, but just check the Sickle documentation page and then you will see the available options there. So we have the quality type. Let's look at the other aspects. We have -Q 20. So -Q here tells Sickle to trim reads that have this quality, that have qualities below 20. And then we will use -L to trim reads that have lengths below 20. And then we will also indicate -G. So -G here tells Sickle to compress the files that will be generated. So we have this information. Now let's specify the output files, the name of the output files. So we have -O. Okay, -O is for the trimmed forward reads. So let's just name them as trimmed _R1.fastkill.gz. And then let's look at -P, which is for the trimmed reverse reads. So the same trimmed, but this time R2.fastkill.gz. Let's type it well. And then we also indicate -S for single or unpaired reads. So we say -S. Let's name that one trimmed _S.fastkill.gz. So we have that also here. Okay, so we have all the information we need. And so we are going to run Sickle now. Okay, since there was a typo here, so let me just correct it. So, okay, so I think, yeah, perfect. So now we have them ready. So let's run Sickle now. Okay, so now trimming has been done. And so you have this information popping up. Okay, so let's do an ls and just check the files out. So ls and then you see the files there. So we have the files. We have trimmed R1, trimmed R2, and then trimmed S. So these are the files that have been generated by Sickle. So now we are ready. Let's proceed to the next phase of the exercise. So